Testing of Hyundai HGN40 air circuit breaker. The basic settings were set according to the request of the customer. For testing, we added 220-volt AC power supply. At first, we tripped the breaker manually. Then we tripped the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And finally, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.